before I start this video is meant to show you how OpenGL and other graphics APIs render 3D models on the screen in a simple language like Python. Now let's start by setting up pil and numpy. We will use pil to draw an image to see and numpy to save an array since lists are slower. What we need now is width, height, and pixels to draw in, and an image to see. We need to draw a triangle. Create a DrawTriangle function and get the minimum and maximum x and y of the triangle to for loop the pixels. To know if the pixel is inside the triangle, we will use this function. I cannot explain it, but Sebastian Lake has a great video. Now we use the function in this order, then check if it's more or equal to 0.
Oops, my bad, wrong order.
In the next part, we will make the rainbow triangle.